that's something they offer for my deliveries. Let me check that out on the SHEIN app. Every time I check out SHEIN's clothes, it's like, wow, a total surprise. I mean, who would have thought such trendy pieces could come with so many amazing details? But here's the secret. Once you see how SHEIN's garments get produced and delivered, you'll realize they're focused on the details. It all starts with the suppliers and the tools they work with. SHEIN's CIGM was launched in 2023 and conducts R&D in waste-saving technologies that help make garment production more efficient. So far, it has developed over 170 individual tools and provided over 6,000 of these units to SHEIN suppliers. These tools don't just help suppliers deliver the clothes with consistent quality you can feel. They also make the garment production process more efficient and cost-effective. Don't believe it? Let's take embellished outfits as an example. Do you know why clothes using beaded and sequined fabrics usually cost more? Because the fabrics used require more careful handling. Usually workers have to manually break beads with mallets to clear a path for a sewing machine needles to pass through. Without this step, sewing needles can get stuck, and when that happens, the sewing process has to be put on hold, and time is spent freeing the needle, replacing broken needles, or in more extreme cases, fixing broken equipment. SHEIN's CIGM team have developed these two tools to make this process less of a hassle, helping automate the safe removal of beads along planned seam lines, and moving any embellished components out of the needle's way when pieces of fabric are sewn together. This helps to save time and create more consistency in the quality of garments produced. After a garment is manufactured, its journey has only just begun. Now, let's talk about shipping. The same attention to detail is applied at every step of the journey, as SHEIN works to get your items to you on time. This includes exploring ways to make the transportation of items more efficient and working to reduce its land-based transport emissions. SHEIN is testing the use of new energy vehicles in some of the shorter distance trips, ferrying lightweight packages between its warehouses in China, with plans to use more of these trucks by the end of 2025. This rollout is estimated to avoid nearly 10,000 metric tons of CO2 each year and cut costs by about 20 to 30% compared to diesel trucks. In addition, SHEIN is looking to see how it can use more electric vehicles for deliveries in regions like Europe and promoting the self-collection of parcels in locations where it's possible. These measures are part of SHEIN's broader efforts in tackling the carbon emissions arising out of delivering its products, which it recognizes much work remains to be done. Waste is also part of the process that SHEIN has to deal with to get your parcels to you. Thanks. But you might not know that SHEIN has been making efforts to reduce the waste it generates at its facilities. At the end of last year, 7 of its facilities, including the CIGM we mentioned earlier, achieved the Zero Waste to Landfill certification awarded by TÜV Rheinland, an international third-party testing, inspection, and certification organization. That means that almost all of the waste generated at the certified sites is reduced, reused, recycled, or converted into energy. You won't believe what these waste materials can become once they're recycled or repurposed. SHEIN turned some textile waste into 2,200 reusable eco bags through recycling and remaking. Some of them are also used as steam pipe installation, helping SHEIN supplier factories improve energy efficiency. So the next time you find a piece you love, you'll know a little more about what goes into the process of getting it to you. All the people, the processes, and the little innovations that come together to create something. And that's a detail we can all appreciate.